Tornadoes are on their way in. Slowly watching the sky turn black. This is Kitty's first time. She doesn't seem concerned. She's just kind of laying there. Dad's got the window open, so you gotta be near. I mean, you can't tell, but by the naked eye, it's solid black. Looks like it's starting to rain a little. Bloomington, Indiana. I think one was spotted just south of here. But most of Monroe County is lit up like a Christmas tree for tornadic activity. Not too exciting, but that's the blessing, really.